Hi, welcome back to another video. A few days ago, I posted a video titled Finding My First Startup Idea. Thank you so much for that great response that I got on that video. As I was starting this process of brainstorming ideas, I remembered a Y Combinator session that happened in my club, in my engineering entrepreneurship club, and it has been stuck in my head. And that is something that I wanted to share today. At my university, we host these YC video sessions every Tuesday through the Engineering Entrepreneurship Club. A few weeks ago, we watched one where they talk about how to evaluate your startup idea. Is your startup idea even worth building? And it completely shifted how I thought about evaluating my idea. YC shared 10 brutally honest questions that every founder needs to ask themselves before building their company. And I have created a Notion template that I'm giving away for free, which has these 10 questions. Here they are. Founders market fit. Are you the right person? Do you have the right team to solve this problem? Market size. How big is the market? Problem acuteness. How painful and urgent is the problem? Competition. Is there existing competition? Personal interest. Do you or your team want this? Timing. Did this recently become possible? Proxies. Are there proxies that show this can work? Scalability. Is this business scalable? Idea space. Is this a good idea space? Idea space is basically a term coined by YC, which means category or the industry your idea is in. And the last one is something that I added, which is gut check. Your own instinct about your own idea. Just reading these out helped me realize how little I have thought about the real fundamentals while I'm building my startup. As I was saying before, I haven't really started brainstorming ideas yet, but this is going to be my starting point. I made this Notion template based on all the 10 questions. And if you want to evaluate your own startup idea, you can grab this Notion template by clicking on the link in the description. In my next video, I'll start using it myself to brainstorm and score a real idea. Also, if you are at FAU, please come and join our Engineering Entrepreneurship Club. We host these YC sessions every Tuesday, and it has been game-changing for me. If you're new here, I'm documenting my journey of building a startup from scratch as an international student in the United States. If that interests you, hit subscribe and grab the free Notion template below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.